Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
The next is some important formulas, sum and difference of two angle formulas. So now already we seen this one, we proved this also, that is cos x plus y is equal to what? Cos x. The formula is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, right? Cos x plus y formula is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. This we proved, right? So now next important formula is cos x minus y. This is x plus y, sum of two angles, sum of two angles. The next one is cos x minus y, difference of two angle. If it is cos x minus y, your formula is what? Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. All these 8 formulas are very important. So now next sin x plus y. Sin x plus y is what? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So sin x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Now next is sin x minus y. Sin x minus y formula is sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. The next is tan x plus y. So tan x plus y formula is what? Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. Trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles. All these are formulas. So tan x plus y is equal to what? Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. The next important formula is tan x minus y. Tan x minus y, the formula is tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. Now next is cot x plus y. Cot x plus y is cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. Next, last formula is cot x minus y. So cot x minus y is cot x cot y plus 1 divided by cot y minus cot x. So these 8 are formulas related to trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles. Sum and difference of two angles. All these are very important formulas. And this proof, cos of x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is important for 5 marks. 5 marks important proof. Already I solved that, right? So next this cos x minus y is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Proof is important for 1 mark. So normally how they ask is prove that cos x plus y and hence prove that cos x minus y. So together comes as 5 plus 1. Total it is 6 marks question. So now next to sin x plus y. Again this proof is also 1 mark proof important. So how they ask? Prove this cos x plus y and hence sin x plus y. Prove this. So 5 plus 1 6 mark question. And this sin x minus y is equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y is important for 1 mark. Again it is 5 plus 1 together it is 6 mark question. So next tan x plus y is tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. Proof is important for 3 or 2 marks. Prove that tan x plus y important for 2 marks. That I will show you later. Next tan x minus y. Prove that tan x minus y. Again it is important for 3 or 2 marks. 3 or 2 marks. Next, cot x plus y and cot x minus y. These two proof are also important for 3 and 2 marks. So now we will discuss the proof of all these remaining functions one by one. First we simplified this, we showed or we proved this one, that is cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So now next we will prove this one and next the remaining functions. So now next question is, prove that cos x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. We know that formula, right? So now how to prove this one? So to prove this one, use your previous formula. What is your first formula? The first formula is cos x plus y is equal to. So answer. So using the formula, so which formula to use? Cos x plus y. You know this one, right? Cos x plus y. What is cos x plus y? You should know this. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So by using this equation or by using this formula, you have to prove what is cos x minus y. So this is your cos x plus y. X plus y. But what I need is x minus y. So how to get minus y? So replace y as minus y. So put y is equal to minus y in this equation. Wherever y is there, replace it as minus y. So now cos of, see here, x plus y is what? Minus y. Is it right? X plus y is minus y is equal to, I am replacing y as minus y. So this y I am replacing as minus y. This y I am replacing as minus y. So now that is equal to what? Cos x cos of y is what? Minus y, right? Y is minus y because y is equal to minus y. Minus sin x sin of y is what? Minus y. Sin of minus y. So now this is cos of x plus into minus. X plus into minus is minus. Plus into minus is minus y. Minus y, which is equal to cos x cos of minus y. You know this. What is the value of cos of minus y? Cos of minus y is cos y. Cos of minus y is cos y. Minus sin x minus sin x and here sin of minus y. Sin of minus. This is into, right? How to read? Minus sin x into sin y, right? So now minus sin x into sin of minus y is what? Minus sin y. So this sin x into minus sin y. So don't write this, so that means don't miss this bracket. Because if you miss this bracket, how it comes as sin x minus sin y, that is different, that comes as difference. Actually it is what? Product. So sin x into sin of minus y. So sin x into minus sin y. Clear? Yes. Now this is equal to what? Cos of x minus y is equal to cos x cos y. Now next, minus into minus is plus because this minus into sin x into minus sin y, multiplication. So minus into minus is plus sin x into sin y. Is this proved? Yes, we proved. What is proved? Cos x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So how to prove? By using your previous formula, that is cos x plus y. In that I need minus y. So replace this y as minus y and get your answer. So important for 1 mark. Next question is, prove that cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x. You know this, right? So you know the value of cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x. How to prove this one? Already you know that I told in allied angles, right? So other than allied angles, by using this formula, either this one or this one, how to get as sin x. So now here LHS side is what? Take LHS side. LHS side is what? Cos pi by 2. This is also important for 1 mark. Okay. So with that derivation and hence prove that cos x minus y. Cos pi by 2 minus x. So now which formula you can use? It is in the form of cos x minus y, right? So using formula. Using which formula it is? Cos x minus y. Is it right? Cos x minus y. So what is your formula? It is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y, right? Sin x sin y. So now replace it, compare it. What is to replace? Put x is equal to what? X is equal to pi by 2. Y is equal to what? Y is equal to x in this equation. So we'll get as cos x is what? Pi by 2 minus y is what? X, which is equal to cos of x is what? Pi by 2 cos of y is what? X plus sin x is what? Pi by 2 sin y is what? X. So now cos of x, that is pi by 2 minus x, cos of pi by 2 minus x, which is equal to cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 or cos 90 is what? 0 into cos x, 0 into cos x plus sin pi by 2, sin 90. Sin 90 is 1 into sin x. 1 into sin x. So that comes as cos pi by 2 minus x is equal to 0 into cos x is 0 plus 1 into sin x is sin x. So 0 plus sin x is what? It is sin x, and hence proved. What we proved? Cos pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin x. In question, if it is proved that, so 5 plus 1 mark, use this method. Okay. Now similarly, can you prove this cos pi by 2 plus x is equal to minus sin x? So cos pi by 2 plus x. So now I will take LHS side. So LHS side is what? Cos pi by 2 plus x. So cos pi by 2 plus x means which formula to use out of those two? This by using, yes, using the formula is what? Cos x plus y, right? Cos x plus y is equal to, what is the formula? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So x is what? Pi by 2. So put x is equal to pi by 2. Y is x. Y is equal to x. Now just replace it. So cos pi by 2 plus x. Pi by 2 plus x, that is cos x is pi by 2 cos y is x minus sin x is pi by 2 sin y is x. So now this is equal to cos pi by 2 plus x, which is equal to cos pi by 2 is how much? Already you know, it is 0 into cos x minus sin pi by 2 is 1 into sin x. So 0 into cos x is 0 minus 1 into sin x is sin x. So 0 minus sin x is minus sin x. So whether we got answer? Yes. Cos pi by 2 plus x is what? Minus sin x. The proof is important for 1 mark. 5 plus 1 mark, total 6 mark question. Okay. Yes, thank you. Hello students. The next question. Prove that sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So important for 1 mark question. What to prove? Sin x plus y is equal to, it is formula sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So now I will take this one, that is LHSI. How to prove this is sin of x plus y. Sin of x plus y. So you know the formula of cos x plus y and cos x minus y, right? So now you have to use that cos formula, that is cos x plus y or cos x minus y. So to use that formula, so write that means sin function in terms of cos function. So means you know that what is the value of sin pi by 2 plus x or minus x? Sin pi by 2 minus x is what? Cos x. Sin pi by 2 minus x is cos x. Now try to understand. So you need to write now, suppose the given is cos x. Suppose the given is cos x. You need to write this cos in terms of sin. Cos should be written in terms of sin. So how we can write? I can write this sin pi by 2 minus x. So writing this cos in terms of sin is, in the form is sin pi by 2 minus x. How it is sin pi by 2 minus x? Sin pi by 2. So sin changes as cos x. Pi by 2 minus x, which quadrant it is? First quadrant. First quadrant sin function is positive, so plus cos x. Clear? Now writing, suppose it is sin x. So now writing this sin in terms of cos. Writing this sign in terms of cos. How we can write this sign in terms of cos? We can write as, yes, how we can write? Cos pi by 2 minus x. Is it right? Yes, because cos pi by 2, cos changes as a sine. Next, cos pi by 2 minus x, which quadrant it is? First quadrant. First quadrant cos is positive. So, sine in terms of cos can be written as cos pi by 2 minus x. Cos in terms of sine can be written as sine pi by 2 minus x. Is this clear? Writing sine in terms of cos, writing cos in terms of sine. Now same concept here, use it. This is a sin x, correct? No, sin x plus y. So this sin x plus y, that should be written in terms of cos. So how we can write in terms of cos? Say sin, I am writing in terms of cos means sin, I am writing in terms of cos means, so it is cos pi by 2 minus this x. Suppose it is sin y. Suppose sin y. Write this sin y in terms of cos. Write this sin y in terms of cos is, how to write? Cos pi by 2 minus y. Cos pi by 2 minus y. Correct, no? Suppose it is a sin a. So how to write in terms of cos? It is cos pi by 2 minus a. Cos pi by 2 minus a. Clear this? Yes. So now can you write this sin x plus y? Can you write sin x plus y in terms of cos? Yes, you can write. How to write? It is cos, it is pi by 2 minus, which angle it is? X plus y angle. So it is bracket x plus y. Clear this? Clear now? See, again I am repeating. Sin x can be written as cos pi by 2 minus x. This x. Sin y can be written as cos pi by 2 minus y. Similarly, sin x plus y can be written as cos pi by 2 minus x plus y. So now that I'll write as sin x plus y. Sin x plus y is equal to cos, just rearranging this cos pi by 2, I am multiplying this minus. So minus into plus is minus x, so that I will write together. Next minus into plus is minus y. Is this clear? So I am just writing pi by 2 minus x as one term minus y. So pi by 2 minus x, minus into plus is minus y. Clear this? Yes. So now that is sin x plus y. Sin x plus y is equal to, now it is in the form of, which form here? Cos, this is x, cos x minus this is y. So means which form it is? It is in the form of cos x minus y. You know what is the formula of cos x minus y? Cos x minus y formula is what? Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So now I will write here. So this is in the form of cos. Pi by 2 minus x means it is x minus y. So in the form of cos x minus y, right? So cos x minus y is what? Cos x cos y. So cos x is what? Pi by 2 minus x cos x cos y. Y is what? Y itself plus sin x. Sin x is what? Pi by 2 minus x into sin y. Into sin y. I will write here using. So using which formula? Using cos x minus y, which is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So which formula I used? I used this one, cos x minus y. So where x is, I can write x is what? Pi by 2 minus x. Y is what? Y. That I am replacing here. Clear? Now next is simplification. What is that simplification? Sin x plus y, sin x plus y is equal to, you know that what is the value of cos pi by 2 minus x? What is the value of cos pi by 2 minus x? That you studied in your 10th class, and here you studied. Cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x. Sin x, next is cos y plus sin pi by 2 minus x. Sin pi by 2 minus x is what? Cos x sin y. Cos x sin y. Is this proved? Yes, it is proved. What to prove here? Sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So we got this one. Hence it is proved. Hence proved. Hence it is proved. Important for 1 mark question. Clear now? So only is writing sign in terms of cos. Now next question. Prove that sin x minus y. What is the formula? Sin x minus y is sin x cos y minus cos x sin y, right? So sin x minus y is sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Now how to use this one? How to write? Using the same concept. using same concept. So first I'll take LHS side. So what is the LHS side? LHS side is sin x plus y. So this sin x plus y can be written in terms of cos. So how we can write in terms of cos? Cos x, that is pi by 2 minus x, sorry not plus, x minus y. Is it right? Sin x minus y can be written as cos pi by 2 minus x is what? X minus y. So right now? Yes. So now it is sin x minus y which is equal to, now how we can write this one? Cos pi by 2 minus x, cos pi by 2 minus x, minus into minus plus y, correct no? So just I am interchanging bracket, I am writing pi by 2 minus x together, minus into minus plus y. So now sin of x minus y is equal to, now formula, cos x plus y. So cos x plus y is what? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So cos x, x is pi by 2 minus x, cos x cos y minus sin x, x is what? Pi by 2 minus x into sin y. So cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So now sin x minus y is equal to, sin x minus y is equal to cos pi by 2 minus x. This is equal to what? Sin x into cos y minus sin pi by 2 minus x is what? It is cos x into sin y. Cos x into sin y, and hence it is proved. Hence proved, important for 1 mark question. So it is 1 mark question. Important. This is also 1 mark important question. 1 mark important question. Now next question. Prove that tan x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Very important. For 3 marks, formula important and also derivation, that is prove that is important. Formula important and prove that is also important. So now how to prove this one? So prove that tan x plus y, that is LHS side is equal to RHS side. So first I will take LHS side. So now LHS side is what? LHS side is tan of x plus y. LHS side is tan x plus y. So you know tan can be written as. So here how to prove this? Say how we proved cos x plus y. How he proved cos x plus y. Cos x plus y is proved by this figure. Correct now? Yes. So now next formula, that is first formula is this one, that is cos x plus y. That formula is proved by this derivation. I told that derivation is important for 5 marks. Correct now? So now next second formula, what is that second formula? Cos x minus y. How we proved this cos x minus y? By using this cos x plus y. Correct now? How we proved that? By replacing y as minus y. Right? Just replacing y as minus y in this, and we proved second formula, that is cos x minus y. Now next third formula, what we proved? Sin x plus y. Yeah, how we proved this sin x plus y? Sin x plus y is proved by using this cos x plus y formula, right? How we proved? First we wrote sin in terms of cos, that is cos pi by 2, right? Cos pi by 2 minus x plus y. So means we use this formula, that is cos x plus y. So now fourth question, that is fourth formula, sin x minus y. So how we proved? So by using the second, that is cos x minus y, right? So or this we can prove by replacing y as a minus y, right? So now these we proved by using your previous formulas. Similarly, tan x plus y. So how we can prove that tan x plus y? You know that tan theta can be written as. So what is the formula of tan x? Tan x is, we know, yes, tan x can be written as what? Sin x divided by cos x. Is it right? Sin x divided by cos x. See here, I need tan x plus y. So this tan x plus y, so how to prove this? By using your previous result. What is your previous result? Cos x plus y, cos x minus y, sin x plus y and sin x minus y, right? So now first write this tan x plus y is equal to, if it is tan x, then your formula is sin x divided by cos x. If it is tan y, if it is tan y, this tan y can be written as sin y divided by cos y. This tan y can be written as sin y divided by cos y. Similarly, how we can write this tan x plus y? Tan x plus y can be written as sin x plus y divided by cos x plus y. Right now, sin x plus y divided by cos x plus y. Now you know that what is sin x plus y? I told you to study those formulas, right? So now what is your sin x plus y? And what is your cos x plus y? Substitute here. So now I'll write here using which formula now? It is sin x plus y. So what is your sin x plus y? This is the formula. Formula is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So this is your formula, that is sin x plus y. So that replace it here. Next denominator cos x plus y. Cos x plus y. So this can be written as cos x cos y plus what is cos x plus y? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So now use these two formulas here. So now it is tan x plus y. Tan x plus y. So now use sin x plus y can be written as this one. So I am replacing sin x plus y as what? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y divided by cos x plus y. Cos x plus y can be replaced as cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. What to prove here? So to prove is tan x plus tan y. To prove is tan x plus tan y. Is how to prove this as tan x tan y 1 minus tan x tan y. So now for this one I divide by, now divide by cos x cos y. Divide cos x cos y here. See this. Cos x cos y. See, I'll divide that. So that is tan x plus y which is equal to, yes. So now sin x cos y. So for this divide by cos x cos y. Next plus cos x cos y divided by cos x sin y, cos x sin y divided by what? Cos x cos y, whole divided by cos x cos y divided by cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, sin x sin y divided by cos x cos y. So, I divided cos x cos y. So, for this each term, right. So, why I divided by particularly this cos x cos y. Now, you will come to know why it is. What I need is tan x. So, what is the formula of tan x? Tan x is sin x divided by cos x, right? Sin x divided by cos x. See here, this term should be changed as tan x. How to change this as tan x? You know formula, sin x divided by cos x is tan x. But this extra cos x should be removed. How to remove? By dividing cos y. By dividing cos y, we can remove this cos y. So, that's why I am dividing cos x and cos y. So, I divided cos x cos y to each term. So, now that is equal to tan x plus y is equal to, that is equal to tan x plus y equal to, see here, cos y and cos y cancel. So, what is left there? Sin x divided by cos x. So, cos x and cos x can be cos y and cos y is deleted. So, what is left here? Sin x cos y. Next plus. Now, here which is deleted? Cos x and cos x is cancelled. What is left here? Sin y divided by cos y. Sin y divided by cos y. Now, denominator. See, cos x cancelled. Cos y cancelled. So, both cancelled. Cos x is cancelled. Cos y is cancelled. What is answer? 1. Suppose 2 divided by 2 cancel means what is answer? 1. So 100 divided or a divided by a cancel means what is answer? 1. So here cos x cos y divided by cos x cos y cancelled means it is 1. Minus here I will write here sin x sin y. Cos x cos y. So, I will write it as sin x divided by cos x into sin y divided by cos y. Sin y divided by cos y. Sin x divided by cos x into sin y divided by cos y. So, which is equal to tan x plus y. Right? Yes. Now, tan x plus y is equal to, tan x plus y is equal to, yes, you know that sin x divided by cos x. Sin x divided by cos x is what? Tan x. Plus sin y divided by cos y is tan y divided by 1 minus sin x divided by cos x is tan x. Sin y divided by cos y is tan y, and hence it is proved. Whether we got answer? Yes. So tan x plus y is equal to tan x tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. So hence it is proved. Hence proved. It is important for 3 marks. Formula also important. What is tan x plus y formula? It is tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Important. Now next, prove that tan x minus y is equal to tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x tan y. Tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x tan y. Yes, how to prove this? So take LHS side. So So LHS side is what? Tan x minus y, right? Tan x minus y is LHS side. So now same as previous. So now here it is tan x minus y, but in previous question it was tan x plus y. So that time how we wrote it is sin x plus y divided by cos x plus y, right? So similarly here tan x minus y can be written as sin x minus y, is it right? Divided by cos x minus y. Previous question tan x plus y. So now here it is tan x minus y. Your formula is sin x minus y divided by cos x minus y. So now formula. So which formula it is using? Sin x minus y. So what is your sin x minus y? Sin x is cos y minus cos x sin y. Cos x sin y. So now next is cos x minus y. Cos x minus y is what? Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Plus sin x sin y, right? So now use these two formulas here. So now tan x minus y is equal to tan x minus y is equal to sin x minus y divided by cos x minus y, right? Yes. Now replace it. So tan x minus y is equal to tan x minus y is equal to sin x minus y. Sin x minus y is what? Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. So sin x cos y minus cos x sin y divided by cos x minus y. Cos x minus y, the formula is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So now by this one to prove is what? Tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. So how to get tan x minus tan y? So divided by 1 means here it is cos x cos y, that should be replaced as 1 means you should divide. So what to divide? Divide same, it is cos x cos y. Divide cos x cos y. So now if you divide cos x cos y, so it is tan x minus y, not on both sides, only to this side, and for each term divide it. So now it is sin x cos y divided by cos x cos y minus cos x sin y divided by cos x cos y. Cos x cos y whole divided by cos x cos y divided by cos x cos y plus sin x sin y divided by cos x cos y. Cos x cos y. So now it is tan x minus y is equal to tan x minus y is equal to, so now here cos y cancel. What is left here? Sin x divided by cos x minus cos x is cancelled. What is left here? Sin y divided by cos y whole divided by cos x cos y cancelled. Sorry, cos x cancelled, cos y cancelled, both cancelled means it is 1. So means numerator cancelled with the denominator, the answer is 1. Plus sin x cos x, sin y cos y can be written as sin x divided by cos x into sin y divided by cos y, right? Sin x divided by cos x into sin y divided by cos y. So now it is tan x minus y is equal to tan x minus y is equal to sin x divided by cos x is tan x minus sin y divided by cos y is tan y whole divided by 1 plus sin x divided by cos x is tan x, sin y divided by cos y is tan y, and hence it is proved. Hence proved, important for 3 marks. So this is very important for 3 marks question. So both tan x plus y and tan x minus y both are important for 3 marks. Now next question, it is prove that cot x plus y is equal to formula, it is equal to cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x, same as tan x and tan y proof, that is tan x plus y and tan x minus proof. So now I will take LHS side. So what is our LHS side? LHS side is cos x plus y. So cot x plus y, how we wrote tan x plus y? We wrote tan x plus y as sin x divided by cos x, correct? No, you know that tan x is equal to sin x divided by cos x, we use that formula. Now here I need is cot. What is the formula of cot x? Cot x can be written as cos x divided by sin x. So now cot x plus y can be written as cos x plus y divided by sin x plus y. Is it right? Yes. Why it is? Cot x plus y, cot can be written as cos divided by sin. The angle is x plus y. So now using which formula? So now using the formula is cos x plus y. Cos x plus y formula is what? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y divided by sin x sin y. Now formula of sin x plus y. What is the formula of sin x plus y? It is sin x sin y plus sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Cos x sin y. So now replace it. It is cot x plus y is equal to cot x plus y is equal to cos x plus y. So that is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y divided by sin x plus y. It is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Cos x sin y. Now next your step is in tan x plus y is what? Dividing cos x cos y. Now here what to divide? I need is cot x and cot y. How to get cot x? Cos divided by sin. So cos x if it is sin x and cos y if it is sin y. And see here sin x sin y. So minus what we need? Minus 1 we need. So how to get minus 1? Divide by. So divide by what? It is sin x sin y. Divide by sin x sin y to the numerator and to the denominator. So now it is cot x plus y. Cot x plus y is equal to cos x cos y. What I divided here? Sin x sin y. Right? Next minus sin x sin y divided by what? Sin x sin y whole divided by for denominator sin x cos y divided by sin x sin y plus cos x sin y divided by sin x sin y. Is it right? Yes. So now it is cot x plus y. Now it is cot x plus y. So now cot x plus y this side. So is it possible to cancel here? No. So cos x divided by sin x. I'll write together cos x divided by sin x, cos y divided by sin y. Alright? Minus, is it possible to cancel? Yes. Sin x divided by sin x cancelled. Sin y divided by sin y cancelled. So means answer is 1. Divided by sin x and sin x cancelled. So what is left here? Cos y divided by sin y plus, so here sin y and sin y cancelled. What is left? Cos x divided by sin x. Cos x divided by sin x. So now it is cot x plus y is equal to, so cos x divided by sin x is cot x. Cos x divided by sin y is cot y minus 1 divided by cos y divided by sin y is cot y plus cos x divided by sin x is cot x. So which is equal to RHS side and hence it is proved. Hence proved. LHS side is equal to RHS side and hence proved. Important for 3 marks. Important for 3 marks. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.